How to make an order on AliExpress. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make an order on AliExpress. Making your order on AliExpress is very simple. Okay, the first thing to do is to log in into your AliExpress account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in into your AliExpress account, you have to go ahead and select the products that you would like to get. Okay, just select the products you like to get or that you like to order. So for example, this product. Okay, just go ahead and select it. Once you select it, you'll be redirected to the products page. All right, now this page, go ahead and select it again. Yes, so once you selected this, you'll be directed to the products page. On this page, you will see the requirements, you see the details about the product. Okay, enough details about the product. Then if you want to select the type of product you want, I mean the piece, number of pieces you want, then once all that is done, by the right side of the screen you will see delivery, you will see service, quantity, buy now. Right, just go ahead and click on buy now. Once you click on buy now, you'll be redirected to the page where you complete your order. Now on this page, the first thing you can see is shipping address, right? So you need to add a shipping address here. Then you add a new card here. But if you've added your card already, you'll see your card details here. Then this is the product. And then by the right side, once you're sure that you've input all the necessary details, just come here and click on place order. Yes, click on place order. Once that is done, the order will be placed automatically. You can just go ahead and locate the order by going back to your orders page. Yes, you go to your orders page by clicking on the account icon located by the top right corner of the screen. Click on my orders in the menu displayed. And once you click on it, you'll be directed to the orders page. On this page, you'll see your order here, and you can go ahead and track it the way you want. So this is how to make an order on AliExpress. Thanks for watching.